Good afternoon, students. Today the lecture is about communication skills and soft skills. Communication skills and soft skills plays a wide role in each and every human being's career. Communication skills and soft skills plays major role for the personality development and each and everything. So coming to the communication skills, in your textbook, this is the first chapter. It is about pronunciation. What do you mean by pronunciation? Pronunciation is nothing but to utter the words, whatever may be the language, we pronounce. Okay, but how to pronounce? Why pronunciation is important? For pronunciation, what is important? Let us see in this lecture. First, coming to communication skills and soft skills, there are 5 units in this textbook, and in your question paper you get 5 questions with internal choice A or B. Each question carries 10 marks. The question paper is for 50 marks. Keep that in mind. And coming to the lecture, the name of the lesson is pronunciation. So, in English language, there is no correspondence between sound and letters. What are the letters? What are the alphabets we are having in English? There are 26 alphabets. You know pretty well that A, E, I, O, U are vowels and the other are consonantal sounds. So, I told you one point that there is no correspondence between sound and letters. For example, if you take the word BUT, CUT, okay, and HUT, you can see the same sounds and alphabets also and letter also. But if you take the word PUT, put, entirely the sound is different to the 3 sounds here. Why? Because it depends upon phonetics. So, phonetics plays very important role which is connected to the pronunciation part. If we take this another example, for example, if I say that the sentence is like this: he laughed at my photo with hands cuffed and folded on an elephant. This is a sentence. In the first word, he laughed, it is GH. At my photo, PHO, TO, PH. With hands cuffed, CUFFED, here double F. And folded, F. On an elephant, here PH. But F is common sound in all the words which is shown with 4 different spelling combinations. See here, GH, PH, double F, and here single F, and here again PH. F is common in each and every word, but F is common means the sound is common, whereas the spelling of the word is entirely different. Got my point? So, from that you can say that one letter can give so many sounds. Okay. So, I gave you this only for example in order to understand or in order to know the difference between the words, letters and sounds. So, directly we go to phonetics. What do you mean by phonetics first? Phonetics is nothing but it is a systematic and scientific study of speech sounds. It helps to make the pronunciation understandable. Okay. And you know that when we produce sounds either in English language or regional languages, whatever may be the language, the air we breathe in and out is used for making sounds. This air is shaped into speech sounds by various organs in the mouth, throat and lungs. What are those? Mouth, throat and lungs. We use organs in our mouth, throat to shape or to utter or to articulate sounds. We use those organs to make the sounds. There are two types of sounds articulators. One is active articulators and passive articulators. What are active articulators? Active articulators are lip, tongue, blade of tongue and front of the tongue, back of the tongue. It means that which are capable to move. We can move our lip, the lower lip. Okay. So, that is one example for active articulators capable of movement. What do you mean by passive articulators? Passive articulators are the organs which remain stationary. For example, upper lip, teeth ridge, hard palate, soft palate, etc. Those are the examples for passive articulators. As we can't move them, they remain stationary. And you can see here there are two blue color lines. These are vocal folds or you can call it as vocal cords, and there is gap here. So, vocal cords and gap between them help us in uttering sounds by lending them the quality of vibration. Automatically we can feel the vibration. It is called as voice. They say Adam's apple, that is voice box. If you keep your finger on the throat here, on the Adam's apple, it means that on the voice box you can feel the vibration of our throat. So, vocal cords which are string like structure vibrate and the sounds uttered are called voiced sounds. The sounds uttered like that are called voiced sounds. For example, B, D, G means ba, da, ga. And coming to voiceless sounds, if vocal cords are apart from each other and other sounds uttered are called voiceless sounds. For example, pa, ta, ka means phonetics P, T, K, pa, ta, ka. So, these are voiced sounds and these are voiceless sounds. So, this is all about the organs of speech and about pronunciation part. In the next video, I deal with the consonants and vowel sounds. Thank you.